Hello and welcome, my dear students, to your own class, that is class of mathematics. And we have finished chapter 4, and I expect that you have done the whole work. Still, if you have not done, you can inform to us. If any confusion is there, we will be try to resolve your query. Now, we are heading for the chapter 5. Chapter 5 is multiple and factors. So, what are multiples and what are factors? Have you heard these words before? I think you have heard. Still, if you did not hear, I am here. I will be telling you. So, what we will study first? Let us see. We will study multiples, we will study common multiples, and we will study even and odd numbers. So, let us start our material, our study with multiples. What are multiples? We have to see what are multiples. So, consider an example. Suppose 5 we have chosen and 5 is being considered for the finding of multiple. Then let us see. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Means if we continue to read the table, we will be getting such type of numbers. So this 5, 10, 15 are called multiple of 5. Why do we call multiple of 5? Because 5 is present in all and 5 is being multiplied. These are called the multiples of 5. Now you may be thinking the table of 2. So what is the table of 2? I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Means till the last portion of the board I can write, but the multiples will never end. So multiples are the numbers which are obtained by multiplying the natural numbers to any number. Correct? Any number we can consider, any natural number we can consider, and I have explained to you natural numbers are the numbers which are simply the counting numbers that we use in our daily life, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. So this is the meaning of multiples. So a number can have infinite multiples. Infinite means any number of multiples you can assign to it, like the table of 3, or in an easy language you can understand, all the numbers present in the table of every number is the multiple. Correct? Like 3 table, 3 1 ja 3, multiple of 3. 3 2 ja 6, a multiple of 3. 3 9 ja 27, multiple of 3. Correct? And one more important thing. 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 4 1 ja 4. Means 1 is the multiple of every number. Correct? When 1 multiplied to every number, it is resulting in the same number. And if we multiply 1 into 1, we get 1. This is the only number. 1 is the only number which is having its own multiple as the same number, that is 1 only. Correct? This is the meaning of multiples. So multiples means the simple multiples means simply you understand the numbers that we get while we multiply any number by a natural number. Correct? So if you multiply by 1, 2, 3, 10, 1000, 9000, every number, whatever you are multiplying, you will be getting a multiple. So multiple, I think, clear. For more detail you can read your textbook also. So multiple is always obtained whenever we multiply a number by a natural number. Now, next, what is common multiple? So common multiples are the multiples which are present in the table of more than one number. Means, see, I am writing few numbers table, like I am writing 2, table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14, 2 8 जा 16, 2 9 जा 18, 2 10 जा 20, 22, 24. I am writing first 12 multiples of what? 2. Here you write first 12 multiples of 2. Next, I am writing the first 12 multiples of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 9 ja 3 7 ja 21, 3 8 ja 24, 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30, 3 11 ja 33 and 3 12 ja 36. Keep in mind we are studying now common multiples. So if you see closely here, is 2, these are one more thing, these are the first 12 multiples of first 12 multiples of 3. Correct? First 12 multiples of 2, first 12 multiples of 3. Now here very important result we have to see. What? 2 and 3 are the same? No. 4, 6. But here we get 6. Here also we get 6. Means one multiple is being common in both. Correct? Next. 8, no. 10, no. 12. You can see. 12 is present in both. Next 14, 15, 16, no. 18. Common. 24 will be common. So these are few multiples of 2 and 3 which are being common in both. But the word I said common. So that will be telling us common multiples. So if I ask what are the common multiples of 2 and 3, then what will be your answer? Common multiples of 2 and 3, your answer should be what? 6, 12, 18 and 24. Do you find any other number which is being common? No. It means the common multiples are the multiples or numbers which are present in the table and they are being present in the table of both. No matter how many times you read, but you will get that number. How many times you will read, that is the next discussion we will do in the next part. But we are getting, that is main important thing. What is that? The number is present in both. 6 is present, 12 is present, 18 is present, 24 is present. Further you will go, you will get 30. That 30 is present. Further you will go, you will get 36. 36 is present. Likewise, you will get. So this is the meaning of common multiple. So common multiples are the numbers which are present in the table of the asked numbers. Asked numbers means which numbers we are given. Like this is the multiple of 2. These are the multiples of 3. This is the meaning we have to understand from the meaning of common multiples. Now, if you are clear with multiples and common multiples, we would like to go to even and odd numbers. Let us see what are even and odd numbers. These two are over. So, even and odd, very common word. So, see, all the numbers which we know, are either even or odd. Either even or odd. All the numbers, either they are even or they are odd. But how will we distinguish them? How we will understand them that whether they are even or odd? Sum और विषम संख्याएं. कोई भी संख्या या तो सम होगी और या विषम होगी. तो हम कैसे पहचानेंगे कि वो संख्या सम है या विषम? Let's see. I have just told you multiples and common multiples. This concept we will use. So a number will be even. A number will be even if this number is a multiple of 2. This number is a multiple of 2. Means when we divide by 2, when we are doing division by 2, no remainder we get. Okay, then remainder is 0. हम जब इसको 2 से भाग करें तो हमारे पास शेषफल कुछ ना आए. We should not get any remainder. That number will be known as even number. So even number is multiple of 2. Every number like 2, 4, 10, 100, 512, 2 lakh. Okay, or any number that you can think which is ending in, means one's digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. One's digit is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. That number will be a multiple of 2. Simple. Next, which number we will call? Odd. So every number which is not an even number is an odd number. For example, if we consider 21 just divided by 2, what do you get? Let us see. 2 is dividing 21. 2 ones are 2. What is the remainder? 0, since 1 is there. So 10 times we read the table, but 1 is remaining. It means 21 is not an even number, so it is an odd number. All the numbers which are ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, not 0, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers are called odd numbers. So every number is either even or odd. How we will check? If this number is a multiple of 2, multiple of 2 means when it is being divided by 2, it must not leave any remainder. And as odd number, if it is not a multiple of 2, it means it must leave the remainder as 1. Correct? That is the meaning of even and odd numbers. So these three things we have studied. Let us quickly revise. We have studied multiples. Multiples are the numbers which are obtained by multiplying the given number by natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all. Common multiples means when we get multiples of 2 or more numbers, we try to find the multiples which are present in all the given multiples. If they are common, those are called common multiples. And even in odd numbers. So if a number is being a multiple of 2, that is known as even number, otherwise odd number. Simple. Okay, it is not tough. After this, some important properties are there, like 1. I told 1 is the multiple of every number. In every number, when you will multiply by 1, you will get the same number. 1 is the only number which is having its multiple as itself. That I have also explained. These are the certain properties. In the next video, I will be discussing some more properties. Then we will be going for the property for the definition of factors, then common factors and all. Then we will go for the exercise 5a. Thank you.